Neuromarketing is a strategy that uses what we know about the brain and how people think to correctly figure out what customers need, want, and like. It looks at how people respond to marketing messages and how they unconsciously react to advertising campaigns, packaging, style, and other things. The method helps come up with marketing campaigns and plans that work well and reach the right people. In this video, we'll learn if neuromarketing is allowed, what its purpose is, and how it works. We'll also show you 6 strategies, some great examples, and how to use neuromarketing in your plan. Is neuromarketing legal? Many experts point out that neuromarketing is controversial. Some people think that different kinds of ads could be dishonest or misleading. They also say that these techniques have an effect on people's minds and push customers to do what the business wants them to do. On the other hand, people who believe in neuromarketing say that their methods help businesses understand what customers want and need and serve them better. Neuromarketing businesses treat customers with the same level of ethics as other advertising agencies. They don't want to promote illegal or misleading goods or make ads that force people to buy something. Neuromarketers say that this method helps customers figure out how they make decisions. Also, it lets people find out if companies try to control or sway their choices about what to buy. Now that you know if the plan is legal or not, let's look at some of the reasons why you might want to use it in your business. Why is it important to do neuromarketing? Neuromarketing is controversial, but companies still need to use it. It is a set of different methods that help brands understand what their customers want and give it to them. They can also look at how buyers react to different ads, campaigns, and how products are packaged. So, business owners can choose the best choice from the ones they have and improve the effectiveness of their campaigns and strategies. You can get more benefits from neuromarketing than just those listed. It's useful. Find out how customers react unconsciously to different ads, designs, and methods. Come up with new, unique strategies. Connect with the needs and wants of the audience. Improve advertising campaigns and strategies. Find out what feelings and emotions certain ads, logos, and phrases can bring up in customers. Improve customer experience. Satisfy customers. Increase sales. Gain a competitive edge. How does neuromarketing work? Neuromarketing uses functional magnetic resonance imaging and electroencephalogram to scan people's minds and look at their physiological and neural responses to ads, packaging, designs, etc. Brain's answers are important for businesses because they give business owners a clear picture of what customers want and need. Marketers show customers ads, packaging, or designs for products and watch how they respond and how their brains work. After getting answers and seeing how things have changed, companies can decide what to do next. Brain scanning lets brands track every brain activity, like how the eyes move, how the pupils change, how the face looks, how fast the heart beats, and how someone is feeling. This gives brands customer insights. Companies can decide how to improve their ads and content, product packaging and design, website design, and branding based on the results. This will help them catch the attention of their audience and meet their customers' needs. Now that you understand how neuromarketing works, I'll show you 6 useful ways to use it. 6 ways to use neuromarketing. For brands to successfully use neuromarketing, they need special tools and experts in neuromarketing. They will teach you how to use the following methods of neuromarketing. Eye tracking, gaze. The method is based on where customers look and how they look. You can use it to find out what colors, fonts, ads, and patterns work to get their attention. Eye tracking can also point out the things that make these people confused. If you're interested in how well people remember your name, you can find out how fast they remember it. This method will tell you if your company is well known or if you need to work on it to make people remember it more quickly. When you choose eye tracking, you can improve the look of your website, packaging, and ads for a low cost. Even though the method is easy to use, it won't help you figure out how people feel. So use it in combination with biometrics to learn more about your target community. Pupillometry. This method makes decisions based on how the pupils of the subjects are doing. It looks at how engaged the customer is by seeing if their eyes are dilated. With its results, you can figure out how to change ads, websites, and products. The plan is easy and cheap to put into action. Facial coding. This method looks at how people's faces change when they show different emotions. It lets you figure out what people are feeling, like happiness, fear, worry, surprise, satisfaction, and so on. For a low price, you can get information that will help you improve your ads and make them more interesting to people. Biometrics. Based on the skin's breathing, conductance, and heart rate, this method can tell how engaged someone is and whether their response will be good or negative. Using biometrics, you can tailor the content of your ads to what people want. Together with eye tracking, it can help you choose ads and information for them that are much better. Electroencephalogram. With the help of electrical signs that come from neurons in the brain, it shows how engaged and remembering a customer is. This method isn't cheap, but it lets you test changes quickly and improve the quality of ads and brand names. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI. This most expensive method gives customers detailed emotional reactions, helps them remember, and gets them involved. You need a lab to use the method. fMRI can tell how much blood is moving in the brain when there is a lot of neural activity. So, you get information that helps you set prices and improve your business. Now that you know what methods you can use and which ones will help you reach your goals, it's time to show you how to use neuromarketing effectively as part of your plan. How to use neuromarketing in your business plan. Neuromarketing is a broad idea that helps business owners grow their businesses more quickly. But you should know how to use its methods in your own plan for it to work. We have put together some steps for you to think about. Look at how people's eyes move. Even though you may not have paid much attention to how your eyes move or how they change, they can give you information about your business. With eye tracking, you can find out if your customers like your ads, product packaging, and style. The method can also help you figure out which parts of your online and in-store ads get more attention. By watching how people look at your business, your team can figure out what makes it stand out and draws people in. Get a group of people to take part in a study to find out if customers like the colors, fonts, and other images your company uses. Pay close attention to people to see if your ads in a store got their attention. Once you know, you will know what to do next with your ads, packaging, and business. Make yourself a good person. It's well known that a smile gets people's attention, and that seeing happy things makes you feel good. Because of this, people become more social and open to other people. Being nice, open-minded, and happy brings you closer to the people watching you. It will build trust and make things clear. If you put a picture of a happy person in your ads or on social media, it will make people feel good about your brand. People are more likely to buy from your business. Make it easier to enter. If you ask potential customers to put in their credit card information to get a free trial, they are more likely to back out. They will look for a service that doesn't need this information. Users who sign up for a free trial without giving their credit card information are more likely to buy. So think about this and try to make it easier for people to join. You can make it easier for people to sign up, make web forms that are easy to use, and improve the buyer's trip. Use tricks to fool people's minds. Marketers use a variety of tricks to attract customers and sway their choices about what to buy. All businesses use certain price points to make customers think they are getting a good deal. For instance, you might see a price of $99.99 instead of $100. Some businesses can get rid of the dollar sign. Neuromarketers point out other tricks that could help the brand make more money. If you put light-colored items on the top shelves and dark-colored items on the bottom shelves, your sales are more likely to go up. Use visual marketing. You can reach people and make them like a brand by appealing to their senses. You'll get people to pay attention and trust you. Nice smells and good lighting can create a great atmosphere and make sure that people have a great time. It will help to increase sales. Scents can make people remember great times and get them excited about your brand. Since the steps are clear, let's move on to some real-life cases. They will help you figure out how to make a unique neuromarketing plan. Neuromarketing examples. We've put together some examples to show how useful neuromarketing study is. You'll see that brands even change the way their products look to give customers the best choices. So let's jump in. Chips Away. The first example of how neuromarketing helped get closer to customers is the famous cookie brand. The brand's team got important information about the product's packaging after doing study. The brand's colors made it hard for people to read, so marketers found out. The company used an eye tracking method to solve the problem and find the right design. The Chips Ahoy team showed different style ideas and asked people which they liked best. The brand updated the writing, image, and colors on the packaging and changed how it looked. The Game of Thrones. The goal of this study was to find out if people find video more interesting than speech. To find out, experts had people watch and listen to the same Game of Thrones scenes and look at how their bodies changed. The data showed that the video was 15% more interesting, but the audiobook caused a faster heart rate, a higher body temperature, and a higher skin conductivity.